Good morning, students. Today we will discuss usage of metals. So look over here. Metals number one, copper. And you know well, copper is good conductor of heat. As the copper is good conductor of heat, so it is used to making cooking vessels, covering bottom of the cooking vessels made up of copper. Next one, copper is highly ductile and good conductor of electricity. So because it is good conductor of electricity, so electric wires are made up of copper. Copper is also used to make certain alloys. Certain alloys like the bronze. Bronze, as we have discussed in the last class, copper plus tin. Bronze is made up of copper plus tin. So bronze, we use the bronze, you know well. Next one, brass, पीतल के बर्तन जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं. Brass, copper plus mercury. Copper plus mercury. This one, copper plus mercury is known as brass. Brass is made up of copper plus mercury. Now this is the usage of copper. Cooking vessels, electric wire, alloys like the bronze and brass. Now look aluminium. Aluminium is, you know well, good conductor of heat. Good conductor of heat, so it is used to making cooking vessels. Good conductor of electricity, so electric wires are made up of aluminium. Aluminium is cheap in cost, so Chinese items, in Chinese item, aluminium is used as a, yes, electric wires. Now paints. The aluminium is also used to painting, to make the paint. Now aluminium is highly malleable and it is used to making foil, making waterproof foil of the cigarette packets, medicines, packaging of the medicines. Aluminium is also used to making drinking cans. हम लोग जो drinking cans use करते हैं, so it is used in the drinking cans. Now, once again, look over here. Making cooking vessels, electric wires, paints, foil, drinking cans. Along with these, aluminium is also used to making some alloys. Some alloys, magnesium. Magnesium, copper plus magnesium. Magnesium is the alloy of copper plus magnesium. Now duralumin. Duralumin is very hard material. काफी hard होता है, काफी strong होता है. So duralumin is made up of copper, magnesium, manganese, along with these aluminium तो है ही सही. So aluminium plus copper plus थोड़ी amount of magnesium and manganese. This is duralumin, and duralumin is very hard. It is the material which is used to making, yes, aeroplane bodies, aircraft body. So a body of aircraft made up of duralumin. Body of aircraft made up of duralumin. Now iron. You know iron is very hard material. Hard, strong, steel. So in steel, iron mixed with the carbon. Iron mixed with the carbon and some amount of nickel and chromium. So iron is used to making buildings, building material, building irons, iron bars. It is also used to make our doors, iron sheets, you know well. It is also used in the bridges. Iron bars are used in the bridges, car parts, car and vehicle parts, ship engine parts, right? It means saying parts of various vehicles. So iron building material, iron sheets, bridges, iron bars and parts of heavy vehicles. Now look, usage of mercury, lead and silver. Mercury is a metal. Metal है तो it is good conductor of heat also, and it is lustrous, shining in appearance. Due to its good conductor of heat and shining in appearance, due to these two properties, it is used to fill in the thermometers, and it is also used to making some alloys also, as we have discussed earlier. The brass is the alloy of copper and mercury. Now lead is also used in the, as you know well, our vehicles. We use vehicles and vehicles batteries. Vehicles batteries are made up of lead. Lead is used in the automobile batteries. It is also used because it is highly malleable, so it is also used रूफ की जो एजिंग होते हैं उनको वाटरप्रूफ करने के लिए. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज टू वाटरप्रूफ एजिंग ऑफ द roofs. It is also used to make lead pipes. Now usage of silver. Silver, number one, decorative items. Second, jewelry and decorative items. आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी है, उसके ऊपर इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग कर देंगे. वी मेक इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग ऑफ द सिल्वर. नेक्स्ट वन, सिल्वर इज यूज्ड. नाउ दैट टाइम इज गॉन. सिल्वर वॉज यूज्ड इन द फोटोग्राफी, फिल्म. जो फिल्म होती थी रील वाले कैमरे, दैट कॉन्सेप्ट हैज गॉन. नाउअडेज डिजिटल कैमरा, मोबाइल कैमरा आज अवेलेबल. पहले फोटो खींचने बड़ा टिपिकल जॉब होता था. फोटो खींचा बहुत बड़ी बात होती थी. बट इन द फोटोग्राफिक फिल्म द सिल्वर वॉज यूज्ड. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन द डेंटल फिलिंग. जिनका दांत निकल जाता है, डेंटल फिलिंग. एंड इट इज, एज यू नो, सिल्वर इज good conductor, best conductor of electricity, but we can't use in the electric wiring. It is used in electronic components. Electric जो components होते हैं उनके अंदर हम इसको यूज करेंगे. So what are the uses of silver? Once again, silver jewelry, electroplating on the artificial jewelry, decorative items. Next one, photographic film, electronic items, electronic components and dental filling. Now look, usage of gold and platinum. Gold, as you know, jewelry, making jewelry, decorative items and electroplating on the artificial jewelry. Next one, it is also used in the dental filling. This is over gold. Now platinum. Platinum is used in the making jewelry. काफी आजकल nowadays it is used as a jewelry, and it is also used in the dental fillings. Now platinum is also used in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Manufacturing of the sulfuric acid and nitric acid. It acts as a catalyst. Nickel, platinum and one another metal that is known as palladium. In making of as a catalyst, nickel, platinum, palladium, these are most commonly used in metallic extractions. Why these? What do you mean by catalyst? Catalysts are, do you know, some are the chemical reactions. There are some chemical reactions. In chemical reactions, reactants react with one another. Some of the reactant do fast reaction. Some of the reactants show slow reaction. Some of the reactants show fast reaction. Some of the reactants show slow reaction. Catalysts are the materials which do not take part in a chemical reaction, but they increase the speed of reaction. They enhance the rate of reaction, speed of reaction. So these are known as catalysts. This is our usage of metals.